Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. I'm Lida. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, then only you'll get the notifications. Today we'll continue the same exercise 5.3. Here is the fourth and fifth questions. First we will do the fourth question. Okay. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? So we have an AP 9, 17, 25 etc. അതൊരു എ പി ആണ്. അതിൻ്റെ സം 636 ആകണമെങ്കിൽ how many terms we should take? എത്ര ടേംസ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്താലാണ് 636 സം കിട്ടുക? അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സോ n ആണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്, എത്ര എണ്ണം. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് n. സോ we will start with what it is given. അല്ലേ, തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്താണോ അതിൽ നിന്ന് we will start. So it is given that sum of n terms or sum to n terms, we don't know how many terms it is taken. Okay, എത്ര ടേംസ് എടുത്തിട്ടാണ് സം ചെയ്തത് നമുക്ക് അറിയാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് SN 636 എന്ന് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. Okay, what is the formula to find out the sum to n terms, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 636. So n by 2 into, we have a equal to 9 and the common difference 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. We have the first term and the common difference. So we can substitute all the values. 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8 equal to 636. Okay, n by 2 into, we can take 2 from both the terms outside. Here 2 is there and 8 is the multiple of 2. So I'm taking this 2 outside. Then you will get here 9 plus n minus 1 into, if you are taking 2 from this, you will get 4, isn't it? 4 into 2 is 8, which is equal to 636. You can cancel these 2's. Then n into 9 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into 1 is 4 equal to 636. Again n into 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4n equal to 636. Now we can open this bracket by multiplying n with these two terms. N into 5 is 5n plus n into 4n is 4n square. This is equal to 636. Okay, we can rearrange. First I am writing 4n square, then plus 5n. Taking this 636 to this side, you will get minus 636 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation of the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we can use the formula, quadratic formula, that is x equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac to find out the variable in this equation n. Okay, so to find out this n, I am using negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this question, a is 4, isn't it? The coefficient of n square. B is 5, coefficient of n, and c is negative 636. Substitute all the values, we will get negative of b is 5 plus or minus root of b square is 5 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is negative 636 by 2 into a is 4. So I'll get negative 5 plus or minus 5 square is 25. Negative to negative is plus. Okay, 4 into 4 into 636, 10176. Okay, 10176 by 8 equal to negative 5 plus or minus root of by 8. So we'll get, we have two values, n equal to negative 5 plus 101 by 8 and which is equal to 101 minus 9, 5 is 96 by 8. So we'll get 12, n equal to 12. The other case is n equal to negative 5 minus 101 by 8. This is not possible since this will be a negative number. So we cannot take this n. Okay, n ഒരിക്കലും negative ആവില്ല. So we can conclude here n equal to 12. So the sum of first 12 terms is 636. Clear? Fifth question, the first term of an AP is 5, last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. First term of an AP, that is A equal to 5 and last term L or AN, both are correct, is 45 and the sum is 400. Sum to n terms, we don't know how much terms we took, isn't it? Find the number of terms, that means n. N we have to find out, and the common difference d also we have to find out. So in this case, we have to find out n and d. We have an equal to 45 and sn equal to 400. To find out Sn, we have a formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, isn't it? And Sn is given as 400, so we can take this as 400. So n by 2 into first term 5, last term 45, you will get 400, okay? So n by 2 into 5 plus 45 is 50, which is equal to 400. You cancel this 50 by 2, then you will get here 25. Then n equal to 400 by 25. Okay. 25 in 400 will be 16. So n equal to 16. Now we have to find out the common difference. For that we can use this an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to what? 45. And a is 5 plus n is 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into d is 45. So 15d equal to 45. This 5, if you are taking to that side, you will get 45 minus 5, which is equal to 40. So d equal to 40 by 15. You can cancel 40 and 15 by 5. In 15, 5 will go 3 times, and in 40 it is 8 times. So you will get the common difference as 8 by 3. Common difference 8 by 3. Okay. Sixth question. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. Common difference is 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? So first term of an AP and last term of an AP is given. Also the common difference is known by as 9. So how many terms are there? That means n we have to find out. And what is their sum? Sum to n terms. Okay. So first I am going to write a equal to 17. First term is 17. And the last term or an into 350. And the common difference d equal to 9. How many terms are there? Means n equal to 5. N we have to find out. And what is their sum? Sn equal to dash. Okay. So first we will find out this an equal to 350. That means a plus, the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 350. In this a is 17 plus n we don't know, so n minus 1 into common difference is 9, which is equal to 350. Okay. So n minus 1 into 9 equal to, here 350 is there. Taking the 17 to that side, and you will get 333. That means n minus 1 equal 333 divided by 9. So you will get 37. And n equal to 37. This minus 1 will become plus 1. You will get 38. So n equal to 38. So we got n as 38. Now we can find out s. Sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Here n is 38, isn't it? S 38 equal 38 by 2. First term 17 and last term 350, which is equal to 19 into, this is 367, 6973. Okay. Now 7th question. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP. Or APയുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ 22 ടേംസിന്റെ സം കാണണം. S22 we have to find out. In which common difference d equal to 7 and the 22nd term. So A22 equal to 149. So we can find out S22 by using the formula n by 2. Sn is n by 2 into a plus l. This is very easy, no? So we can use this formula since last term is given. So n by 2 into a plus l. So we can substitute here 22 by 2 into, first term is not given, but the last term is 149. So first we have to find out this first term. Okay. So for that we can take A22 as 149. Okay. A22 which is given as 149. And the formula to find out an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we can write a plus, this is 21d equal to 149. So we can use a plus 21 into common difference is 7, isn't it? So 149. A plus, this is 21 into 7, 147 equal to 149. Or a equal to 149. This 47, if you are taking to that side, you will get minus 147, which is equal to 2. That is a equal to 2. Okay, substitute the value here. You will get 22 by 2 is 11. 2 plus 149. Then you will get 11 into 2 plus 149 is 151. 1661. So this is the sum. Okay. Next, 8th question. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP. You have to find out S51. ആദ്യത്തെ 51 termsന്റെ sum കാണണം. Whose second and third term? Second terms. A2 is 14. Third term is 18. Third term is 18. Okay. So to find out this S51, we have two formulas. One is n by 2 into a plus l, or other one is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this case n is 51, isn't it? And we don't know a and d. So from these two conditions we can find out a and d. So if a2 is 14 means a plus d is 14, isn't it? Since a2 and a3 are consecutive terms, അടുത്തടുത്ത terms അല്ലേ, so we can find d equal to a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 അല്ലേ, a3 നിന്ന് a2 മൈനസ് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ പോകുന്ന കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണെന്നറിയാം. So we can find out 18 minus 14 which is equal to d. d as 4. So d നമുക്ക് 4 ആണെന്ന് കിട്ടി. പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് എന്താ അറിയാം, a2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമിനോട് ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് പ്ലസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് 14 കിട്ടുക അല്ലേ. സെക്കൻഡ് ടേം 14 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം പ്ലസ് d ആണ് 14. സോ ഇൻ ദിസ് കേസ് വി ക്യാൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ദിസ് 4 ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, a plus 4 equal to 14 or a equal to 14 minus 4 which is equal to 10. So we got a as 10 and d as 4. aയും കിട്ടി dയും കിട്ടി. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത് സം ആണ്. സം കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുല നമുക്ക് ഏത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. കാരണം a നമുക്കറിയാം, d അറിയാം, n അറിയാം. സോ ഹിയർ n is 51 by 2 into 2 into first term is 10 plus n is 51, isn't it? This is 51. So 51 minus 1 is 50 into common difference is 4. Okay, so 51 by 2 into this is 20 plus 50 into 4 is 200. So you will get 51 by 2 into 220. Cancel this 220 by 2, you will get 110. 5610. Okay, 5610. 9th question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, ഒരു എ പിയുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ 7 ടേംസിൻ്റെ സം, അപ്പോൾ സം ടു 7 ടേംസ് ഈസ് 49 ആൻഡ് സം ടു 17 ടേംസ് ഈസ് 289. സം ഓഫ് ഫസ്റ്റ് 17 ടേംസ് S7 equal to 289. Find the sum of first n terms. You have to find out Sn. Okay, so from the given conditions we can start. S7 equal to 49 means we have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? This is the formula. So if you are using 7 instead of this n, we will write like this as 7. That is 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d, which is equal to 49. Is 7 by 2. We can take 2 outside from these two terms. You will get 2 here and here it will be a, and this is 6 is 2 into 3. So here 3d will come equal to 49. Cancel these 2's. So a plus 3d equal to, here 49 is there, 7 നമ്മൾ അങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് എടുക്കുന്നു, by 7 you will get 7. That is a plus 3d equal to 7. First equation. Okay, so here also we can take 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d, isn't it? Equal to 289. 17 by 2 take 2 അല്ലേ, ഇതിൽ രണ്ടിലും 2 കോമൺ ആണ്, ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുക്കുക. സോ a plus 8d equal 289. Cancel these 2's. You will get a plus 8d equal this 289 is 17. അങ്ങോട്ട് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും, by 17 you will get here also 17. a plus 8d equal to 70. This is the second equation. We can solve these two equations to get a and d. So I am going to write a plus 3d equal to 7 here. This is the first equation. You can subtract 2 minus 1. You will get, here this will be 8 minus 3, 5d. 17 minus 7 is 10. So d equal to 10 by 2, which is 2. What is a? A plus 3d equal to 7. This is the first equation. So put d equal to 2 in first equation. So you'll get a plus 3 into 2 equal to 7, or a plus 3 into 2 is 6 equal to 7, or we can write a equal to 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So a is 1 and d equal to 2. Okay, a equal to 1 and d equal to 2. Now we have to find out sum to n terms. Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal n by 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Here also we have a common 2 here. Taking outside, you will get n by 2 into 2, 1 plus n minus 1. Cancel these 2's. You will get 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. N into n is n square. So sum to n terms is n square. So today we have done exercise 5.3, 6 questions. Go through the questions. If you have any doubts, please make it on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. We will continue the same exercise on the next video.